Hola!
Welcome aboard.
We've just boarded the MSC World Europa in Barcelona, and I got to tell you guys, it was one of the easiest embarkations we've ever had. 30 minutes from arriving at the port to being on board.
Didn't even get time to film anything, did you?
No filming, well, little bits and pieces, so I'll share that with you here. On leaving our hotel, we made a leisurely walk back down La Rambla until we got to the waterfront, where we got our first glimpse of the MSC World Europa. From there, we wandered around taking in the still morning views across the water. Our end location were those rings sticking up out of the air, where we were going to catch the port shuttle to the terminal. The shuttle dropped us off at Terminal A, which is no longer where the MSC board now. They've got their own personal terminal, but for us it was Terminal A, and before we knew it we were on board. Thank you. The telephone box. This is a truly stunning ship. Making our way onto the World Galleria, we couldn't help but be excited for the next 7 days.
Required to participate in the mandatory safety drill. What's in the corner for you? I still can't jump to there.
Yeah.
But our cards are there?
Yeah, in the door.
Okay, so we leave our bags at the door. Open the cruise cards. Yeah.
Is there two there?
It's two. One for you, one for me.
Awesome. Had a cup of tea at the Raj Polo Tea House, and we've booked in for our specialty restaurants and our first 2 thermal spa treatments. Hopefully we'll get access to our room in the next 20 minutes or so, and we'll be able to go in there. We'll show you around there, and we've got a couple of videos coming of our experience on this ship, but for now let's head up and see if we can get into this room. You excited, Phil?
I sure am.
If you've got anything that you'd like to know about the MSC World Europa, put it in the comments below and I'll answer it there, and I may even include the info in a video. We had heard about pizza and burger on the World Europa and how stunning and great the food was. So I decided that was the first place we were having lunch. Well, I've got to say it did not live up to the hype, and you could get better pizzas up in the buffet. Getting on the ship so early meant that we had a bit of a wait for our cabin to be ready, but that's okay, we had plenty of time to explore and get a bit of an overview of this majestic ship. Finally, we got the call that our cabin was ready, so we made our way back through this splendid ship. I was explaining to Phil things that were included and things that were extra, including the coffee. It's got to pay for them. We did visit fairly regularly. Yeah. We had an infinite window ocean view room with the Aurora package. I'll explain the Aurora package in another video, but for now let's have a look around this lovely looking room. I've got to say, that is one of the biggest lounges I've ever seen on a cruise ship. Although I don't know how I feel about the mirror at the end of the How cool is that floor to ceiling window? There were heaps of sockets and power outlets in this room, including some by the bed in the lights. That is the bar, and all of that was extra. Part of the Aurora package. Nice little area to do your makeup. Plenty of storage for us. We were packing light. Great bathroom, worked well. Lots of storage, not too small. No complaints. These hooks are a great idea. I did have magnets with me, but those hooks were magic. And this is the window. It goes right down to the crossbar in the middle, so you've got like a Juliet window, which was great for looking out of most of the time. Just a special note that the captain does lock it from time to time, like if they're refueling or if it's unsafe.
There's a bar spotlight on leaf out. Go down level? There's a bar on the next level down.
As the sun set on Barcelona and we watched it light up at night with the wake of the ship leaving its trail behind us, we headed to Olla for our first specialty restaurant meal. A great way to wrap up day one on MSC World Europa. So what are you thinking?
Oh, it's beautiful. Haven't had a bad thing yet.
How's your appetite going?
Alright so far. Keeps coming though, doesn't it?
If you want to see more, why not hit that subscribe button? This is the first video in this series where we spend time aboard this ship and visit the ports in the Med. As always, thanks for joining us. Travel brilliantly. Bye! And if you want to see more of Barcelona where we boarded this ship, why not check out this video here where we share our day in the Gothic Quarter.